Mana Afshari. I am the head of AVEVA PI system portfolio management. Have been working with the PI system and the industrial data management for over 12 years now. Some of the emerging trends that we have seen in the industrial data management has definitely been seeing sustainability being a major initiative across all of the verticals that we work with, across all of the markets. And then the sheer size of data is exponentially growing. So being able to make smarter decisions faster with all of that data, and also lighting up some of that dark data that is not maybe available today but soon will become available, has also been another challenge that we see. And AI is the enabler for making a lot of these decisions. So we also see that across the board and the need for supporting it. And last thing I would put, even though it's not something new, security continues to be top of mind. And that is something that is a priority and is an important factor for a majority of the customers. So how AVEVA PI system can continue to support those emerging trends? AVEVA PI system has been around for a long time, and we want to continue to be relevant. It continues to be that solid foundation and where our customers and the market has heavily invested on. And we are committed to continuing to support it, and we heavily invest in this on-premises system. And the way we continue to be relevant in the emerging market is by extending this on-premises system to beyond just plant and sites and an on-premises offering to cloud and edge. This way, there is a seamless data infrastructure from edge to plant to cloud and community, so that doesn't matter where the data is, doesn't matter who the data consumer is, the flexibility and the right choice is available to them. AVEVA PI system has been around for decades, and we have a very large user base, and we have been an integral part of the OT space for a number of years. And just that presence, that user base, that community of users and partners that we have is significant. And being part of AVEVA with the rest of the AVEVA solutions that we offer, being able to integrate that, providing that synergy with the PI system has brought another layer of integration to our customers and the traditional user base, I would say. And now with leveraging Connect and having Connect along with the PI system as one of the AVEVA solutions brings us and makes us more relevant to the IT space as well. And this bringing and convergence of OT and IT really puts AVEVA PI system at a significant advantage compared to the other product offerings out there. Another factor that really makes and sets AVEVA PI system separate from other offerings out there is the community of partners that we have, and how they provide local support, local knowledge transfer, and have that close interaction and connections with our customers around the world. Yes, so PI system, AVEVA PI system has been around for over 4 decades, and that large user base also means that we have a large community of users who have been used to leveraging the products, using the technology in a certain way. And the technology are changing. The technology landscape, the data landscape is completely changing. And coming from that long and extensive background, that change and making that change and coming with new innovations and ideas will also require a lot of conversations, and the change will not come that readily. So I would say that culture that comes with extensive use of PI, then the change needed for it, that culture can be a little bit challenging. We're leveraging all of these emerging technologies by providing that hybrid offering. It's really, if we want to be relevant, if we want to continue to support our users in today's technology landscape and data landscape, we really need to expand the data infrastructure from edge to plant to cloud and community. Edge, we are leveraging our Edge data store and all of the Edge modules and Edge management that comes with the AVEVA solution offering. And through that AVEVA PI data infrastructure hybrid offering, we are really extending our users and customers' infrastructure beyond just on-premises, so that when it comes to Edge, when it comes to IIoT, they can leverage what AVEVA offers at the Edge. When it comes to AI, when it comes to machine learning, we're in the areas that cloud has unparalleled capabilities, Connect is available to the Pi system users to leverage. Security and privacy is top of mind for AVEVA across all of the product offerings that we have, be it AVEVA Pi system, an on-premises offering, or Connect. That's one of our priorities. So in that sense, I would say the concern, we are already alleviating it by putting a lot of investment and having it as our top priority. And when it comes to Connect, what happens with the hybrid offering that we have, on-premises Pi system can continue to be that solid foundation, and we can make it even better by extending it to Connect, by leveraging what Connect has to offer, by bringing data across multiple data sources that might not be that Pi system might not be the right storage for it. Connect will be that holistic data infrastructure and data storage for a lot of our customers' data. Now I would challenge migrating the Pi system data to Connect, and I say it can be an extension of it. The data can reside in the AVEVA Pi system for the right use case, for the right tool, for the right audience, and for the other needs and use cases, a subset of that data can also reside in AVEVA Connect and can be transferred from Pi or other sources securely and in a scalable way to Connect. When it comes to validated environments or some of the verticals, like pharmaceutical area, there had been, I would call it maybe this more challenge of cloud might not be meeting the needs. However, what we have seen from our Pi system customers is that when it comes to the right use case, especially when it comes to advanced analytics, cloud provides so much that our pharma customers are really jumping on the solution. And in one of our recent conferences, user conferences, AVEVA World in Paris, we had a couple of these presentations given by our pharmaceutical customers. There is a place for the on-premises Pi system, maybe in the areas that validation is of huge importance, and there are some areas that innovation and some other new use cases can be implemented, and cloud and AVEVA Connect has so much to offer.